Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com with our latest card kit called Brush Flowers for our card kit reveal and inspiration. I'll start off with the stamp set for our reveal, and this is called Brush Flowers. It has some really beautifully illustrated brush stroke type flowers that you can use with your inks and also use for some fun techniques. There are also different types of messages in this set that you can pair together, and also a nice large solid message that you can add as a focal point on your cards. As a card kit exclusive, we're including 4 of our positively saturated ink in cube size. They are Lucky, Ocean, Rose, and Citrine. And they'll come in a clear plastic clamshell casing for storage. And debuting in our kit is our brand new Simon Says Stamp Flannel Ink Cube Holder. This is nice flexible silicone, and it comes packaged in its own junior mesh zipper bag that you can keep your holder stored in to keep it clean and dust free. The ink cube holder fits all sizes of ink cubes and mini ink pads, and it's perfect for using when doing your blending. We're also including our small detail brush that you can use with the inks and also your ink cube holder. Also included in this kit is a jar of Simon Says Stamp Fine Detail Clear Embossing Powder. The papers for this kit are called Painted Floral, and they're from Prima Marketing. There are 6x6 double-sided papers in a variety of patterns and colors for your spring and summer card making. The papers are nice and thick, and these would be perfect for die cutting and also using as your backgrounds. And you can cut up small panels to add focal points to your cards. The butterflies on this page are large enough to cut out and also add with your flowers from your stamp set. I get a nice beachy vibe with all the bright colors of flowers and also some of the patterns for some summer card making. So once again, these are painted floral papers from Prima Marketing. They are 6x6, double-sided, and you get 6 sheets in total. We're including an A2 envelope. This is the metallic doll pink, and it comes with that peel-away adhesive. And finally, Simon Says Stamp cardstock in doll pink and black in 100 pound, and Nina Solar White in 110 pound. And up next, I have some inspiration for you using the contents of this kit. I've created a card where I've ink blended a background, and then I stamped the flowers using just water and also stamping some leaves at the bottom with the citrine. Nina clear embossed her flowers onto the doll pink cardstock and then ink blended over top with the blue ink to create a purple. Callie used all of the ink cubes included in this kit to stamp her flowers to create a beautiful background for her boldly stamped message. Susie Plantamere stamped her flowers onto some black cardstock and used colored pencils for a very dramatic look. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration from our latest card kit, Brush Flowers. Be sure to check the description box below for a link on how to purchase this kit, along with our blog post link for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.